Let Usako and Sachiho from Echidna Wars and TTO Sevjevin. And I should protect them I should protect them so that they could defeat Bertie. Come on! Kill that samurai bird so that there will be no distraction for us. Why did you just dive into those samurai bird? Come on! Kill them quick before Bertie gets here! Oh my god, she's gonna get piked! She's gonna get back! Oh my god! Oh my god, she's been flonged! Incinerate those birds so that we could have chicken What am I saying right now? Chicken Kentucky? Yes, yeah! Turn those birds into Chicken Kentucky right now. Finally, he enraged!
Mga manyak kayo, mga lalaki at babae.
Now kill Bertie before he zaps you!
I-remove nyo ito ditong anak ko, mga manyak kayo, ha? Mga bullshit kayo.
And his enrage run out. Run! Bertie zapped me. Bruh!
Gonna kill you and I'll keep killing. Ah, Christ! Ah!